Hello students. So today we will do solution. So first is, what is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting substances whose composition may varies. So this solution is a homogeneous mixture. Homo means uniform. When two or more than two substances or non-reacting substances mix well with each other are known as a homogeneous mixtures. Now solution, what is it made up of? It is made up of solute and solvent. Now what is solute and solvent? Solute, which is generally in easy term, which is present in a small amount, and solvent, which is present in a large amount. In other words, solute which dissolves in solvent and solvent in which solute dissolves is known as a solution, and this solute and solvent uniformly mix with each other. Now out of this solute and solvent, solvent is liquid and solute is solid. Maybe this one is the gaseous or the in any other state, and same in case of a solute also. Like when we mix salt in a water, it forms a homogeneous mixture. Salt dissolves in water. Now solution, if solution is formed in water is as a solvent, that type of solution is known as a aqueous solution. If in a solution water is not a solvent but any other solvent is used, is known as a non-aqueous solution. Other solvents which are those may be benzene, ether or carbon tetrachloride. Now what is the importance of this solution? This importance of solution, it depends upon the composition. In which composition is it made up? First one is like a brass. It's a homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc. 1 ppm. ppm means parts per million of fluorides ions in water that prevents the tooth decay. And next one is key solutions of intravenous injections should have the same ionic concentration as that of the blood plasma. So importance of solution, it depends upon its composition, in which composition it is present or it is used. Next are the types of solutions. Now in types of solutions, mainly these are of 9 types of solutions. On the basis of the states, like we have 3 states, solid, liquid and gaseous. On the basis of these states, solutions are of 9 types. First, in case of solid, act as a solvent. First one is solid in solids, liquid in solids and gaseous in solids. Examples like alloys, in which both are present in the solid state. Next one is hydrated salts. One is liquid and second one is solid. If gas is in solids, example is dissolved gases in water. Next are the basis of liquid state. Solid in liquids like salts. Liquid in liquids, methanol in water. Liquid in gaseous, oxygen in water or aerated drinks. Next, the state is gaseous. Again further 3 types. Solid in gaseous, liquid in gaseous and gaseous in gaseous. When solid in gaseous, example is iodine vapors in air. Liquid in gaseous like humidity present in air. And gaseous in gaseous like example is of air, oxygen or nitrogen. So mainly these are of 9 types. Out of these 9 types, main are only 3 types in which liquid is as a solution is liquid phase. It means liquid solutions are important. Out of these 9, mainly are of main 3 types are important. Now how the concentration of this solution is expressed? First one is percentage. In percentage, it is expressed by percentage by mass or percentage by volume. First is, what is percentage by mass? Percentage by mass means mass of the solute in gram present in 100 gram of the solution. And what is percentage by volume? It means that volume of liquid solute in centimeter cube present in 100 centimeter cube of the solution. So rest we will continue tomorrow.